Everyone saw me on the freeway and they're making fun of me. Oh well. Hey guys, so I hope that you don't mind the lighting right now. I'm currently stuck in traffic. I've been in traffic for 2 hours. I just dropped off my cousin Cindy. I'm sure you guys know her from like tons of my vlogs on my vlog channel. If you guys aren't subscribed to my vlog channel, it will be linked down below. And there's people staring at me right now because there's so many cars around me, but I'm gonna keep my eyes on the road, safety first. I haven't updated it very much. I just have like the new Cardi stuff, the Weeknd's new album. What else? I have Cali. That's pretty much it. So if you guys have seen my Simp With Me, pretty much the same music. I did add a few more items, but let's get to it. By the way, sorry about the lighting because the sunlight's like hitting behind me, so it's gonna kind of shift since the sunset is setting right now. Anything home with you. And if you love me, you never do it. That makes you a killer, a killer, a killer. They say nothing lasts forever. You should know about it. Call me up, lie to me and say my booty getting bigger, even if it's you know I'll be difficult. Ooh, I didn't wanna party, catch me at every party. Not that I had control, I was out of control. You was my distraction, oh baby, who would've known? Hey, what you do? You drive me crazy, and I'm waiting for you. I know you got to know more things about me. I can't change you the ways you love me. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all.
I hate traffic!
Your phone last night is killing me, killing me, killing me out. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Oh, shoot, the po-po is right next to me. Oh, they caught someone? Oh, heck no. Girl, what did you do? I heard about your situation all over me. Teniendo de cerca las mañanas tú querías. Somos tú y yo. Then you're on my own. You still not looking for anybody else. Stand up. I know you wanna get down. I ain't good enough for you. You say I'm so happy that I'm almost home. What I want to do is just take off my makeup, put on some sweatpants, work a little bit because I tend to always be super productive at night. I'll probably like clean my room. For some reason, that's really therapeutic for me. Like I love organizing and cleaning my room for some reason. Like it's satisfying. I just love clearing out all of my stuff. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the lighting going like in and out, being kind of weird, but you know, I was in traffic and right now it's like 7:16. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like these car jams, let me know so I could do more, and maybe I could do like a dedicated artist like Lana Del Rey, because I know like all her music inside and out, or her, I know all of her music inside and out too. I could do Bruno Mars, The Weeknd, all of my favorite artists. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.